Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing the nature walk which we embarked when we were in the Arayal Resorts, Wayanad, Kerala. So join me in the walk where I take you through the natural beauty of Wayanad in unfiltered form. We started around 8 o'clock in the morning where it was still a little cold, sun was up. I have retained the natural sounds in this video which we experienced for you to experience this as well. This is the lake which was visible from the balcony of our room of the resort. The land was wet because of moisture. You can see cobwebs kind of moisture settled on plants. The view from here was breathtaking. It was a mini botany and zoology tour for the kids.
Fine.
It is advisable to wear high boots when going on this trek, which we learnt after we were back because all of us were bit by leeches.
The papa would touch me, not the car.
On the way, we found some tomatoes, green chilies, and red chili plants.
Huh. हाँ स्मेल यहाँ तक आ रहा है.
It was quite an exercise to walk up and down. We are close to the final destination. Beautiful, isn't it?
Huh?
Picture perfect. It looks like a painting. We saw some tadpoles, or I don't know if they are baby fishes.
Tadpole. Frogs.
हमारी बेबी क्यूट है ना
क्यूट
देन क्यूट ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
अरे क्यूट पहले दो सब लोग एक ग्रुप में है.
ग्रुप स्टडीज कर रहे हैं.
वहाँ फिश भी है, देखो वहाँ चल रहा है, देखो वहाँ
फिश
देख रहे हैं, स्मॉल स्मॉल
फिश फिश
देखे ना अभी
कितना मंथ होगा
मंथ में ये देखो कितना सारा जल रहा है यहाँ. देखो क्लीन वाटर. कहीं भी चले गए हैं.
We spent some time enjoying the beauty of the lake and the surroundings and started back. It's tedious to walk uphill and I got quite breathless quite often. We saw a fruit tree which I am zooming in for you to look. That is the banana tree with banana flower and baby bananas.
हाँ.
Kids don't get exposed to this kind of flora in city life. It is better, I feel, to expose them once in a while to such natural beauty so that they get to know and learn. After a long walk, we are back to the entrance of the resort. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.